Hello guys, welcome back to the traders. My name is Noam. As every Sunday we used to meet, I tell you about three stocks that you need to buy for the upcoming week. You buy them and see some great results. So today, as every Sunday, I'll present our three stocks to buy for the upcoming week. So stay with us and don't miss it. Hello guys, welcome back to the traders. I'm Noam. Nice to see you again as every Sunday. Woo! Hi, how are you? I hope everything is fine. So today, as every Sunday, we're going to present our three stocks to buy for the upcoming week. So in front of us, first we are seeing FinViz website, right? As I said, I prefer it on every other screener in the stock market. By the way, I hope that this week I'm gonna show you a video regarding how I'm looking for stocks in the screener. So if you watch it also, you'll get a sense of how I choose my stocks for every week. So if you are already watching my recommendation every week, you probably had some great results with the stocks like TDOC, great result. Here I can show you the stock right in front of your face. Teladoc Health. You can see TDOC had a great jump from about 55 right to 62. Hope you sold something on 60, as I always say. Put some money in your pocket. Great result with TDOC. CRZO from last week. Alright, Carrizo Oil. If you remember what I show you, I told you like it is before 2 weeks. So I told you that when it comes to the 8.5 to sell at least 50% of the position. If you manage it right, you had some nice result from the start of August, right? You had this here, and it got to 8.5, maybe it also until 9. In 9 you already should have sold it. If not, you probably missed some. But as I always say in all of my videos, put some money in your pocket, don't forget it. So let's start with our three stocks for the upcoming week. First one is Exxon, alright, Interxon Corporation, XON. Great stock, alright, if you can see it. I love the healthcare, alright, because they are very volatile, but you can analyze the chart very good when you are working with healthcare and volatile stocks. So if you see here, the stock arrived to a resistance point, support point of at 574, right? If I'll do it on the weekly, you can see also that in few weeks in the past, it already got to this point and it's always come back from it. All right, if we'll go to down below, we'll see here that there is short float more than 25%, mean that there are a lot of traders that believe it's a short, but it already had its big short. So from this point, I see it can goes up, and I would buy it. All right, price alert. I will buy it over 6 with. If you see here, I look for a volume of at least $500,000. All right, volume of $500,000 over the 6. I'll buy. I put it as an alert. All right, over 6, and let's say first point to sell it's 6.5. All right, about 10% up. Then at around 6.9. All right, now let's move to our second stock. All right, SSTI, ShotSpotter. I'm not sure what this kind of stock is doing. It's technology, application software. Doesn't really matter in this situation because you can see on the daily chart, it also got into a great resistance point. Even here, when it breaks down, you see it went up after the volume. Just give it a push back. All right, and you can see also here in a high volume, it didn't went down from the 27, which means I will put a price alert at 27.5 here, and I look to see like a great volume, 27.5. Don't forget at 30, even 29.5 to sell at least 50% of the position. Can have here like 10% in one day. Let's look at the short float. Great short float, 27%. All right, very nice. Well, the company show forward PE of 70, which mean in profit for the future. Analysts will think that they're going to make some great profits. Volatility is high, so always put some small amount. Don't waste all of your money here. Be smart and keep your mind on the position. That's a short-term position. When you get to 30, it's time to sell. Maybe in 32, all of the position. That's the second point. And if it go well, you don't. The stop loss is by yourself, by your definition. Last stock, SFIX. All right, Stitch Fix. That's services, special reality. Others, I like specialty retail. Sorry, I like retail stocks because in this point when the interest going down, retail always work good, which means I present some very good time for this stock, especially after it went down so much, about 50% just from July. We got it to a support point, very good one, 18. Right, I will put stop loss at 17.5, but I will put a buy position, a price alert buy for the 20. If you see 20 and you see here, all right, when the volume is more than 500,000, also it's time to buy. All right, and then it can jump to 22 in the same day, from my belief, then 24. Or about 23. See short float very high, almost 30%. I believe it's a great stock to buy. I prefer it from all of these three. This is the best one for my opinion. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget these three stocks to buy. XON, alright, XON. Summarize it to you. XON, SSTI, and the last one, SFIX. So I hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe to my channel, The Traders. I'm Noam Madar. Thank you for coming being with me. Forget to like the video and let me know what you think about in the comments. Bye bye.